Hello friend, so far we have learned how to write a Python code. But writing code alone is not enough. A good program is one that is easy to read, maintain and understand. So in this video, we will learn about comments and code readability in Python in more detail. So just imagine you write your code today and open the code after 6 months or 7 months. Without being comment, even you will not understand what you have write at that time. Comment, explain the code for the team member and for your future itself as well in the clear approach that you can read the code at any stage. Now let's talk about the Python comments in more detail right now. In Python, we all have like three type of categories to define the comments over the Python code. The first one is called as single line comment, the second one is called as multi-line comment, and the third one is called as docstring comment. All these categories or three types of comments are used in Python to mention the comments over the codes. So I have like shown a small code of snippet over the screen right now, but we will also see and practical approaches of each of them in detail. Now let us talk in detail about the comments of Python that we have discussed in the last things. So let me just open the Python window over here. Now I'm creating a new file named as in comment.py. Now let's just discuss the all three types in details right now. In Python, we use the hash symbol to define the single line comment. So basically like this is my first comment. And after that, I'm using a simple print function to print normally any string. Here I'm using hello world. Okay. So here I have already used the hash symbol, and in Python, whatever if we write after the hash sign, that is treated as an comment. That is totally ignored by Python to while running the code or executing the code. So if I save it and try to run the code, I will only just get as an output hello world. So this is the first category that we have discussed among the comments. Now let's just talk about the another category, that is multi-line comment. The multi-line comment are the comments in Python if we want to explain in details certain functionality or certain things, then we use the multi-line comments. These are defined by using triple quotes like this. So here I can mention this is my multi-line comment and used for various operation. Okay, like this I can use this same print function under this as well to print exactly the same. Like for just example I'm showing over here, but you can change it as your needed as per your need. So if I run it again, the same output will print, but this is the differences between in the multi-line comment and the single line comment is that we can also use to print the multiple lines using the hash sign, but the problem is there we have to define hash symbol on every each line. But whereas come to the multi-line comment, we don't have to mention the hash symbol. Just we have to define the triple quote, and inside that triple quote, start and end. In between of that, we can write numbers of line to mention the feature functionality or any specific nodes over there to get it reference in the future what this functionality exactly doing. So this is the multi-line comments. Now let's talk about docstring comment. Docstring comments are the special types comment in Python which is basically used in inside the function and a class. And these are specifically used in professional Python code where we want to define a certain specific functionality like any operation that we are performing, and we have to define that functionality in to get in reference. So we use the docstring command. So let me show an example over here. I'm using a function, just writing a code. Just bear with me. I will explain in detail what I have done over here. And then I'm using the print function and printing the hello and the name of that specific value, which are variable which I have taken the input in the greet function. So if I want to mention the functionality of a greet function, what it exactly it's doing, so I can define by using the docstring. This is the function, the greet function. Uh, Basically, the docstring is used inside a function or a class to define what exactly function is doing the operation, so that we can get to know in future reference to understand more about that function or a class. I'm just writing here the calling the greet function and passing the value as in Python over here and saving it again. And if I execute the code again, if I see hello world from this line, hello world from another line, and then hello Python, which I'm getting from this greet function. So this greet function is using the docstring command. So this all are the types of commands in Python. So friends, today we learn what are the commands and their various types like single line command, multi-line command and docstring commands, and make them how to write in a readable format. In the next video, we will learn about Python arithmetic operator and operations and expressions. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Python tutorial. See you in the next video.